Well, as you can see, it's raining, and I didn't get the field done. I got about a quarter of it left. Almost got stuck in the wet spot trying to get out of the rain. So that's gonna put us on hold. Now I just gotta wait for this shit to stop so I can make it home. Fuck. Oh well, what can you do? This one just popped up out of nowhere and it's gonna set us behind quite a bit now. Alrighty. Freaking puddling up like no tomorrow in the field already. Son of a... Oh well, what you can do. Oh, that just coming down. I guess try just creeping home in this shit. Alrighty, till then.